Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my Boxycharm by Ipsy. It arrived the other day, the same day my icon box did, and I'm finally getting around to it now. So we're going to be jumping into a full unboxing, review, and demo of everything inside this month's May Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, stay tuned. Now, I do want to jump in and say a couple things. First off, in my icon box, I misspoke, and I did refer to it as an Anastasia Beverly Hills takeover as opposed to a curation. I still think my thoughts on it were valid. I think that for a box that was curated by Anastasia, I expected it to be more glam, but I understand it was not a takeover box. I did not expect 8 Anastasia products, but the 2 I received were definitely a lot less exciting than what I come to expect. Also, I did get a second Ipsy icon box. The first one was my PR, the second one came separately, and that one is a much better variation. I'm going to be doing kind of like a quick unboxing of that in my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing coming in 2 days. So if you want to see another unboxing, make sure you're subscribed so you can check that out. Jumping right into the Boxycharm by Ipsy, I do have my Ipsy app open in front of me, so I have the explanation of the 5 products ready to go. Just a reminder, this is the Boxycharm base box and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus merged together. It's somewhere between $25 and $30 a month, depending on where you live. 5 full-size beauty products, 200 plus worth of product. So the first product out of the box is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Retailing for $22, this is a full-size setting powder. When your foundation looks flawless, reach for this powder to help lock it down. This long-wearing formula helps to mattify, smooth, and blur your complexion to a seamless, soft focus without clogging your pores. It also has hyaluronic acid to keep your skin from drying out and looking cakey. Now, I'm a huge fan of Dominique Cosmetics, and I did, in my spoiler video when I found out this was coming, I did say I was very excited to try it. I did already play around with it. It is a super finely milled powder. A little bit goes a very long way. It definitely does blur, and I am seeing that smoothing happening. I will be trying it on my face in an upcoming video, but for now, I'm actually really happy with this product. Next up, this is the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. I have used this product in the past. I did not love it. It retails for $20. Beach-ready skin that is smooth, glowy, and soft all year round. This is a scrub away. This one is full of coffee granules, essential oils that will lighten stretch marks, scars, buff away rough skin, and leave your body feeling oh so silky. I did not like this. If I'm going to use a body scrub, I want it to be like a sugar or a salt base. That way, like, as I'm in a hot shower, it kind of melts off of me. I found that with things like this, the more I rinse, no matter what happens, I feel like I'm still covered in, like, sand, grit, and coffee grounds. So, not for me. I will be passing. The next item comes from the brand Cab Cosmetics. This is the Hydrating Setting Mist, retailing for $28. The Hydrating Setting Spray is a makeup game changer. It locks in your look all day while providing a burst of hydration to leave your skin feeling fresh and dewy. Infused with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera and coconut water, this spray is perfect for all skin types and feels super soothing and refreshing. Now, I've mentioned in the past that my skin has a severe sensitivity to coconut, but it's really more the coconut oil and not so much coconut water. I did, just because I wanted to, like, see if it was still an issue. I did miss this all over my face 2 or 3 days ago whenever my box came, and I figured I'd give myself a test so that way when I unboxed it, I knew if it was going to cause a reaction. It actually did not. This is my skin clean shaven. I'm not dealing with any of the hives or breakouts that I normally get when I use coconut products. I will say that the coconut water is pretty low down on the ingredients, so not a ton in there, didn't break me out or cause any issues. It's almost in like a MAC Fix Plus dupe bottle, and I like the way it smells. I like the way it made my skin feel. It is something I will need to still test on top of makeup, but overall, I really like the way it feels and smells. Goes on nice and thin, nice and soft mist, feels nice, refreshing. So we just have to play around with it with makeup to see if we like it as a setting spray. Next is the product that in my initial spoiler video, I told you I was not excited about, did not want to receive. Unfortunately, I did get it. And this is from Iconic London. It is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. It retails for $40. I'm just not a fan of the Iconic London formula, but what I will say is I got a palette that didn't break, which is really nice. In my Ipsy Icon Box unboxing, you'll know that the Soft Glam palette came with a broken shade in it, and I will be doing, like I mentioned, a second Iconic Icon Box unboxing. That one actually had the Primrose palette in it. 2 shades came shattered in that. So the one palette that I didn't want is the only one that did not come shattered. Retails for $40. Bring out the beachy vibes any time of the year with a Glam 12-shade eyeshadow palette. Inspired by a tropical vacay with velvety matte and buttery shimmer shades, the palette helps you create effortless, endless day-to-night looks in a matter of minutes. I will say the colors in it are very pretty, but I do not like the formula that I'm not even going to waste my time. I'm going to give it away to somebody who hopefully will like it more than I will, because it's just not a formula I like. And the last item comes from SL Miss Glam. This is for $38. It is a 3-pack of brushes. Now, of course, there's a cat hair on there already. I unboxed them from the plastic bags and washed them because, you never know what gets on a brush when it's in a factory. So I always try to wash them before I sit down to film so that I can touch them and feel them. And I already got a cat hair on there, but that happens. Treat yourself to the sweet trio of essential complexion brushes that sparkle in design and performance. Each of the highlight, blush, and powder brushes feature a soft, vegan, cruelty-free bristle to achieve seamless radiance. So this is called the flat face brush. I actually really like this shape for like baking on the under eye, sweeping across bake, or even adding in blush. This one right here this one has a precise face brush. This is the type of thing I would either use for concealer or for a very small amount of blending in cream contour. And then this is listed as an eye blending brush. I would agree completely. This type of dome-shaped brush I love for the eyes. So clearly we have hit the $200 value of this box, but when it comes to the products in here, I would say these are the 3 I will be playing around with in an upcoming video, and I will definitely be passing on these 2. That being said, I think that this was a decent box. I mean, I mentioned in my spoiler video, as long as I got the Dominique Cosmetics powder, I was going to be happy. And for me, like when I love a brand or a product, I really just want to get my hands on it. Then I'm very excited about it. I do also want to reiterate, because a couple of people mentioned this in my Icon Box unboxing, that this is PR, so I did not get to choose any choice items. They kind of send whatever they send. And I've actually started to notice that PR doesn't all get the same box, which I'm really happy that we're not all getting the same box, but it definitely means some of us will get boxes we like more than others. As always, if you have any thoughts on anything, please drop them down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to check out my Icon Box unboxing up there. Spoiler alert, I was not very happy. And make sure to stay tuned and subscribe, because I will be posting in a day or so the Ipsy Glam Bag and a second Icon Box unboxing. As always, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!